In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add games to GOG in just a few simple steps. If you've just opened GOG and want to build up your library, redeem a free game, or purchase a title and add it to your owned games list, this guide will walk you through the whole process. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and once you know where to click, it becomes super easy. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open GOG on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the platform, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option called All Games. Click All Games to open the full catalog. This is where you can browse everything available on GOG, including free titles, paid games, and featured releases. Now that the full game library is open, use the search bar to find the game you want to add. You can type the exact name of the game, or even part of the title if you're not sure of the full name. As soon as the game appears in the results, click on it to open the game page. On the game page, you'll see the option to Buy Now. Go ahead and click Buy Now to move forward. If the game is currently free, you may see an option that says Get for Free instead. Click Get for Free to claim it. This is an important step because it adds the game to your account without charging you. After that, confirm any prompts that appear on screen. Once the process is complete, the game will be added to your owned games list. That means it's now linked to your GOG account and ready for you to download or install later whenever you want. To check it, you can go to your owned games section and look for the title there. And that's it. You've successfully added a game to GOG. Whether you bought it or claimed it for free, it should now appear in your library for easy access. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more GOG tips, and I'll see you in the next video.